A microscope is an instrument that uses a combination of lenses to produce a magnified image of a small object that will be normally unseen under the naked eye. In optical microscopes, we use light to illuminate our samples and glass lenses to magnify the image. Modern optical microscopes can magnify up to 2000 times the object size. For instance, this is what a tiny piece of paper looks like under the microscope. Can you imagine what a wonderful world can be found using this equipment? Here you can see how cells behave while they are being imaged under the optical microscope. To put things in perspective, imagine a millimeter and divide it 1000 times. Each one of these tiny pieces will be a micrometer long. Can you believe that each one of these cells is only 10 to 15 micrometers long? This is definitely out of the eyesight range. Can you spot the rounded structure that is in the middle of the cells? That's the nucleus, where the DNA is stored. We can clearly distinguish each one of the nuclei, but what if we want to study the nuclear edges? Then we need more resolution and electron microscope is required. Instead of photons, electron microscopes use electrons to generate an even more magnified image than the ones obtained with optical microscopes. Electron microscopes generate always grayscale images that can be colorized afterwards. Here we can see not only the entire nuclei, that is about 5 to 6 micrometers long, but also the tiny nuclear envelope with its 2 layers. These 2 layers are separated by 50 nanometers that are 20 times smaller than a micrometer.